I think we're calling this panel Voice Acting 101, and I think that's sort of a good jump-off point, because the job is always getting a job, because the sessions really are getting paid to play. And if you're not in a playful mood when you go in, you're not going to be adaptable enough to go with the flow of the session, because nobody knows where it goes, and you can't come in with preconceived notions. You can't even go in. We had auditions last night for guest cast for a reading that we did, and you can't even go into an audition with preconceived notions. Too much happens in the just sort of shaping of something. You can have ideas, but if you don't keep your ears open as well as your mind, you can't sort of figure out where it goes together. It's all collaborative, and if it's not collaborative, then it's not creative. And I just think that's a really important thing to remember for any of you that have aspirations of moving forward sort of in voice acting. Just a starter note.
You know, is this particular seminar on voice acting?
It's kind of what they're calling, yeah.
Get into it and everything?
Yeah.
You know, when you were saying preconceived notions and everything, the thing, though, is when you and Garry walk in with a terrific idea, that you're very pliable and malleable, and you can change. You know, if the director or the writers or the producers say, gosh, can you try it this way? You guys can do that. But what's great about walking in sometimes with a preconceived notion is that the writer or the creators might have never thought of that, and they go, oh my God, that's brilliant. That's the way we should go. You know, so I'm not disarming your thoughts there, Gregg, but I mean, you know, you come in with some great ideas.
I think the exciting part of anything when it's like a news show or series or whatever, in the on-camera community, nobody knows what it looks like till it walks in the door, and in the voiceover arena, nobody knows what it sounds like till they hear it. So usually on the other side of the glass, they're open to whatever you bring in, but you need the actors also need to be open to whatever comes at them from the writing producing side.
Well, I guess basically what it breaks down to is that the creative process is a two-way street. You can, from your perspective, you can come in with a preconceived idea, but as long as you're open-minded enough to take that preconceived idea and mold it or shape it to what somebody else wants, you can be open and free at the same time and collaborate, two minds or a group of minds, and collaborate and come out with a character that everybody is satisfied and happy with. And so in that respect, you're both right, right?
Yeah, because it's just resistance is kind of the enemy.
Resistance is futile. You will be assimilated.
Resistance is futile.
That's true. That's true. You really have to come in with an open mind and know that your job as an actor is to fulfill the playwright's intention.
You're here.
I mean, isn't that our job as an actor?
The play's the thing.
And even with an animation piece, our job is to fulfill the playwright's intention. They may not even know what their intention is until you give it to them.
Here, here.